Good morning, sir. I am Jasmine Amparado. I'm workshop layout. My qualification is about food and beverage services in situ. So, dito sa next page is dito naman yung example ng workshop layout na gawa ko. Then, dito is makikita yung una is yung entrance and exit. Dito naman yung mga customer na pumapasok sa restaurant and dito rin pumapasok ang estudyante sa training center. Then, yung ikalawa naman is the institutional assessment and yung quality control area. Dito naman yung mga nagsiserve, nagkailangan ma-check muna kung handa na, may knowledge, hygiene, service, and standard. And next naman is yung support service area. Dito naman kung may emergency o may problema, dapat may support system para matulungan yung trainee ng health and wellnesses. Then, yung contextual learnings laboratory naman, dito naman yung mga nag-interact and nagpahiwatig ng collaborative environment para sa contextual learnings experience. Then, yung next naman is yung learning resources area. Dito naman yung mga gamit na books, modules para matutunan ang menu, wireless, and service standards. Then, yung practical work area, ito naman yung parang simulation na sa totoong restaurant like table setting, serving food and drinks, taking orders, and billings. Yung teacher work area, ito naman yung mga training and nag-o-observe nag-a-access kung tama ang ginagawa ng estudyante. And next is yung restroom. Dito is yung tulad ng real restaurant, hygiene of sanitation ay top priority. Yung naman is distance learning and community laboratory is ito naman yung para matutunan yung POS system, reservation, and online learning modules. Yung lastly is yung fire exit. Ito naman yung pinaka-importante na alam ng lahat kung saan dadaan pag may emergency. So, ganito po ang layout ko kasi po nakabase siya sa actual flow ng trabaho sa food and beverage services. Mula sa pagpasok ng entrance, may assessment at quality check muna, tapos may support service para handa ang lahat sa lab at learning resources. Natutunan din yung theories, nagpa-practice din ng role play sa practical work area. Doon ginagawa ang totoong simulation and servings. May mga tertiary area para may guard, may restroom, sa hygiene at computer lab distance learning para sa POS at modern tools. Siyempre, may per exit para din sa safe ng lahat. Explanation for my workshop layout. This workshop layout is designed for competency-based training or CBT and includes 9 essential areas. The biggest is the practical work area where learners practice skills. The learning resources area and contextual learning laboratory are close by for a quick review and application. The quality control and nutritional assessment area are near the exit for final check. The training resource center, computer, lab distance learning area, and support service area are placed around the main areas to have learnings and trainings symbols to show what skills are taught there. This layout is easy to understand and follow CBT principle, ensuring it's safe, useful, and promote good learnings. So, ito naman yung symbols. Practical work area is the cooking and chef are implicitly related to culinary skills, a core aspect of food and beverage. Learning resources area is may light pump, money bag, and it is directly addressing upselling and revenue generation crucial for profitability in the food and beverage industries. My chart increasing is naman nagsisimbolize ng improved sales skills, a core objective for food and beverage professionals. Institutional assessment area is ito naman yung thinking space, memo, and check mark all represent evaluating the skills and competencies of staff, ensuring they meet the required standard for food and beverage services. Contextual Learning Laboratory. Handshake, and performing arts emphasize customer interaction and service scenarios, essential for handling guests in a food and beverage setting. The speaking head is especially relevant for addressing compliments which are common in the service industries. So, then yung quality control area, ito naman yung checkmark and soup are directly linked to hygiene and presentation critical for maintaining a standard in food and beverage. Yung training resources centers, ito naman yung teacher, computer, and Apple address the needs for training and support particularly in computer skills, which are increasingly important for managing orders, payment, and inventory in food and beverage services operations. Then yung naman is yung learning area, is ito naman yung laptop and globe. Ito naman yung support ongoing training and develop, allowing staff to stay updated on industry trends and best practices in food and beverage. Computer laboratory, ito naman yung keyboard, bar chart, and currency exchange are all relevant to managing data, generating reports, and processing payment. All essential tasks in a modern food and beverage business. Ito naman yung support service areas, ito naman yung ambulance and people hugging directly relate to handling guest-related issues, especially sensitive situation like dealing intoxicated person, ensuring customer satisfaction and safety. Yun lamang po. Thank you.